Hello, welcome back. Question 25. WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian students. If a stone is thrown vertically upward with a speed of 80 meters per second, find the maximum height reached by the stone. So this is upward movement. So this is more or less a dynamic. So let's write the information we have. So first of all, if the body gets to the maximum height, it means the final speed will become 0. So initial velocity or speed is 18 meters per second. Final is 0 meter per second. Find the maximum what? Height reached. Okay, so here also we know the acceleration is going to be equal to the force of gravity, but in this case negative. So I can say that the acceleration become negative force of gravity because the body is moving against force of gravity. What else is needed? The distance. So we can put it there. So from here, using the equation of motion, which is v squared equals to u squared, because of this, minus g minus 2gs. Remember, it is positive 2as, where the a is now what? The negative g. So this is what going to be the value we have. We can substitute. From here, v will be 0. Here, 18 squared minus 2 times 10 multiplied by what? The distance. What happened? The whole of this will become positive here. So let's see. I have 20s equals to 18 times 18. Let's see. That will be, I think, 324, right? Then the s will now become 324 divided by 20. Let's put that in our calculator and see. 324 divided by 20. That will give you 16.2 meters. So let's check the options and see which one will give us the 16.2. And that is going to be the option A. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel.